Hey friends, on today's episode, I'm going to show you a chair makeover that you're not going to believe. Stay tuned. Hey friends, on today's episode, I'm going to show you an amazing chair makeover, all transformed because of my ugly chair challenge this week. So let's take a look.
This chair makeover started all because of the ugly chair challenge that I've been doing this past week. And the group selected this chair to be the one that I do the makeover on. So it had some great features on it. It was dated because of the fabric, but it had great carvings, a typical French chair, absolutely beautiful, had a lot of potential, even a cute little bow on top. So the back side was nothing special, but it is a picture back, so I wanted to be really careful about the fabric and how I placed it on the back side. So I got to work. I stripped down the chair and began my makeover and envisioning what kind of fabric I was going to put on this. And that's really the most fun part, you know. It's great when you know how to strip down a chair, and then this is where I really ended up. It was a beautiful gold chair. I wanted to use this really fun spoonflower fabric that I found, and it has a great floral on it, and I just kept envisioning it would be the perfect thing for this chair. And next, I turned to the paint. Could have left it gold, but I decided I wanted to go for a garden cottage look. And if you take a look at this amazing chair frame, once I started putting on the base coat, you can see all the little details begin to come out of the chair. And that sold me on the white paint. And so I got to work. And if you know anything about me, you know I like to play around. And here you see me in action. I'm trying to figure out what needs to go on the back side of this chair. I tried out many options that I liked. There were two in particular I liked. And the great thing is when you find two things you like, you can put one on the back and one on the front. And here you see me trying out different things. What do I like? I'm trying to visualize in my mind, and I finally make a decision. It's all about being in the moment and letting my emotions guide me. And so I did the same thing as I put on the seat fabric. Which one do I like? You know, it matters what's on the top and then what's going to be on the base. And that gives me the entire look. And I take my time. I don't rush it. I look, even though it looks like it's going fast, I am taking my time as I think about it. You know, the great thing about doing upholstery is I can change my mind if it didn't turn out right. And this amazing French little chair, I could not be more in love. I went all over with the floral fabric. If you notice my strategic use of white space within this fabric, yes, it's very busy, but I leave room for the white space on the top and the seat, and you're going to see the back side here in a moment. The positioning of the fabric for that white space is key to getting the best look. And here's an entire picture of it. Isn't that amazing? The arms, I chose to pick out cute little areas that had pink flowers on them because you know how much I love pink. And I thought it looked really great with the rest of the chair. And then the back side, let's take a look at what I decided here. I wanted the design to peek in from the bottom, even including that little sprig on the top. It's all about the strategic use of white space and the florals. I used a linen cotton canvas fabric from Spoonflower, and I will put the link to this fabric in the description below.
Wasn't that amazing? If you are interested in learning how to do upholstery, I have just the thing for you. It's my online upholstery course, DIY Upholstery for Beginners, and I take you through everything. You can rewatch the videos as much as you need, and you have lifetime access to it. And we also have a private Facebook group, so if you get stuck and you need help, I'm there, and so are 2,000 other women who are willing to jump in and help you. It is the most fun thing to do because you can transform a chair just like what I showed you here in this video. I have the link to join the DIY upholstery course in the description below. I hope you'll join me. Until next week, friends, have a great week. Bye-bye.